So here's how to get monetized on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers and without 4,000 hours of watch time. Those are the requirements to get into the YouTube partnership program, aka YouTube ad revenue, which is not what this video is about. This video is about creating other income streams off of your YouTube channel to grow your revenue and overall earnings. But again, not through the YouTube partnership program. So, and you can start these at any time. You can start this off of your very first upload, and some of these can work right off of your very first upload. But when it comes to YouTube, it's really all about views. So don't get hung up too much on subscribers, because especially if you want to earn money from YouTube, you just have to be getting views. Like it's just as simple as that. So if you need help getting views, how to do that, I've made this video right here that's very helpful. It's like the strategy I break down in this video is how I've grown my entire channel. So I know it definitely works. I know it'll definitely help you out. Number one is to sell a service, and this can be a physical service or a digital service. For example, the other day I saw a local trash hauling business in California has a YouTube channel, and they just upload videos to their YouTube channel about their trash hauling business and about how trash hauling goes down, all that sorts of stuff. And they have their contact info linked in their videos descriptions and in the about section of their channel, and people reach out to them locally for their service to have them come haul their trash. And then there's also digital services like me, for example. I upload videos about Facebook ads, informative educational videos about how to run Facebook ads. And because I've done that and I have my contact info linked in the videos description in the about section of my channel, then I have people reach out to me. Sometimes those people turn into clients, sometimes those people turn into consultation calls, sometimes it doesn't really turn into anything. But I've spoken with people from all over the world just over Facebook ads and have earned extra income by creating those videos. And I don't really talk about, I just don't really push or try and sell in my videos. So I don't necessarily talk about like, hey, reach out to me for, services X, Y, and Z. But there are some people who just can kind of see that that's something that I do, and then some of them do tend to reach out to me. But anyway, just an example of two examples right there: physical service-based business and a digital-based business. Number two is affiliate marketing, and this just means that there's already a company with their products, their services, and all you're going to do is promote their product or their service. And if you can get someone through your promotion to buy this company's product or service, then you get a percentage of that sale. And this happens in many, many different ways on YouTube. So one example on my channel, actually let's look at Peter McKinnon's channel first. So if you just look at his video right here, if you look in his video description, he's got all sorts of gear listed that links you to Amazon. So anybody that clicks any of these links and buys any of these products on Amazon, he gets a percentage of that sale. And that's the Amazon Associates program, that's their affiliate program, and lots of people use Amazon. But you can use, like if you go to pretty much any company's website, most of them will have an affiliate program that you can sign up for. So if you promote any of their products or services and use that unique link that's unique only to you, when you sign up for the affiliate program, then all of that's tracked, and you just link your bank account and you get deposits for promoting their product and people buying their product. So for example, when I create videos about how to sell on Amazon, because that's another business that I run and operate, I use a tool for my Amazon business called Helium 10. It's a software program, and it does all sorts of amazing things for selling on Amazon. But when I create videos about how to sell on Amazon, part of that is how to use this tool. And so what I did when I started making those videos is I went to that company's website, I signed up for their affiliate program, and I just I leave a link in the video's description that links people to that company's website. So anybody who searches out, Amazon research, Amazon product, Amazon business topics, if my video pops up, they click it, watch it, then there's a likelihood that they'll look and click that link. And if they do, and if they buy, then I get a percentage of that sale. And you can actually make a really, really good money through affiliate marketing. It can be a nice little side income. It can be a full income. You can get filthy rich off of it. Like I've seen some people who are making, $500,000, $1 million and up in just affiliate marketing. So they're not selling any of their own brand, any of their own product, any of their own service. All they're doing is promoting someone else's something. And when a sale happens, they just get deposits into their bank account. And again, absolutely infinite amounts of things you could affiliate market. So really the approach should be, what do you want to make videos about, and what can you make videos about? And then what products and brands fit inside of there that you can link to with affiliate links. Number three is brand deals or influencer marketing. It's basically just saying the same thing, but a little bit different from affiliate marketing, but still there's definitely some crossover. But it's basically just where you communicate directly with brands and strike a deal with them where they pay you X amount for X, Y, and Z for, you know, a 20-second clip in their video, or maybe it's a full 10-minute video, or maybe it's just mention their name in a video. There's different ways that that's done. You know, oftentimes, you know, you'll see a YouTube video start with, hey, we'd like to thank our sponsor on this, or you'll see, you know, the YouTube video will just be the regular YouTube video, and then at the end of the video they'll switch to like, hey, we'd just like to thank our sponsors. Or sometimes people work it in throughout, or maybe it's just product placement. Maybe, you know, like models on YouTube or something are doing clothing hauls and they're getting paid to show certain outfits. There's, again, all sorts of ways to do it's like affiliate marketing. There's all sorts of different products, services, brands, etc. The idea is that you find the ones that fit and match inside of your niche, your topic, whatever your content is about. And as far as how much you can make via influencer marketing and brand deals, really the sky's the limit again here. It can be a little bit of income, or it can be a ton of money, just depending on how you set things up, what kind of views you're getting, what kind of deals you're striking, all that good stuff. Number 4 is physical products. Now, a really common one most people have heard of is just merch, simple hats, hoodies, t-shirts, all that sort of stuff. Another one I've seen taking off over the past little bit that's really interesting is like people that make rings, like finger rings, and they make them out of silverware, older jewelry, stuff like that. Like if they've got a YouTube channel showing how they make their jewelry and all that, then they can just link to their store in their video description and sell all their jewelry, all that physical product. Number 5 is digital products, and man, do I think digital products are super cool, especially on YouTube, because it doesn't really cost anything to create digital product. You don't have to buy inventory. It's really just your time that you're putting into it. And then if you can get your videos to rank on YouTube, you can just get that traffic for free. So you do have to get the views, but basically you can have a product, you can create a product for free, and you can get the traffic for free. So you don't have any product costs and you don't have any advertising or marketing costs, but you still have a business, like a product and a business that's selling and making money. And that's amazing. Like, that's pretty cool. And digital products can be courses, they can be like photo filters, can be ebooks. I ran Facebook ads not too long ago for a guy that was selling digital paintbrushes, and we killed it. Like, I was really surprised that like you can make a good amount of money just selling a digital paintbrush. Like, that was just crazy to me, but so cool that that could happen. And then like LUTs packages, just all sorts of digital products that you can sell. Again, keep it in line with your channel, your content, what your content's about, that sort of thing. Number 6 is to set up a Patreon. I've seen more and more creators using Patreon and pushing their subscriber base to Patreon, mainly because YouTube has unfortunately been increasing its censorship. But yeah, it's basically just a subscription platform. You can push your viewers there. They can pay for a little monthly subscription where they'll get, you know, more bonus content, extra content that they won't see on your YouTube channel. Number 7, I literally was just texting actually last night with someone about this, but just by, you know, and this was on Twitter. I'll throw the screenshot up right here, but it's the same thing for YouTube as well. You create videos about a certain topic, show you have expertise and knowledge in that field, and it's likely that you can get speaking engagements or educational, or, you know, appear on this podcast, or just different paid opportunities to come speak about your knowledge and your skill set. And then number 8, the last one here, maybe slightly controversial, but OnlyFans. Now, it doesn't have to be used just for a chick showing her booty, whatever. Like, there's plenty of other people on OnlyFans who are kind of using it like Patreon. It's just like a closed door. You've got to pay a subscription to get in, but once you're in, then you get the extra content, the bonus content, whatever it is. And it's largely known for chicks showing their booties and stuff or whatever, but there's all sorts of other people and niches and influencers on there that are doing nothing explicit or anything like that, that just putting some extra content behind a paywall. And so if people want to sign up for the subscription, then they can get that extra content.